Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm just gonna do a quick easy tutorial for you guys on how you can make your Instagram photos pop more or even make them look cooler. So first off, let's jump onto the computer and then I'll explain everything there. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna use this image as an example because it's quite easy and I just took it with my iPhone, so it makes it easy for everyone to do it. Okay, so I'm here in Lightroom and the first thing we have to do is go to the crop tool because I'm most likely gonna post this on Instagram, so you have to crop it to the Instagram crop, and that is 4:5. And what I do is I just center it the way I want it. Yeah, maybe there. Okay, cool. Then the next step is going to level it, because as you can see it's a bit skewed. So we go down to transform, you can see it's a tab there, and you just press level, and then Lightroom will do some of the work, but then you just go down to rotate, and you just change it a bit how you want it. That looks good. Okay, from there I think I want to crop it in maybe a bit more. So that's perfect. Okay, cool. Now let's start from the beginning on how to edit it. So you go down to tone right at the top, and where exposure is, I'm just going to drag the exposure up a bit just to get the photo to get more light in. And then for contrast, I'm just going to drag it up more because I like my photos to have contrast. So maybe there it looks good. Okay, cool. Then for highlights, I like to push down the highlights all the way to 100. I feel that exposes more detail in the photo. Okay, and then shadows, I usually don't really care about the shadows. I just tweak them how it feels in the photo or whatever I'm working on. And the same for whites and blacks. For this photo, I'm going for a more like light and bright photo. So let's get into it by dragging the blacks a bit down and the whites up to get that contrast. Okay, we'll come back to the saturation and stuff now. Then for the tone curve, I just like to usually just make the basic S curve that everyone tells you to make, just to get a bit of contrast. As you can see, if I change it, there's a bit of difference already. Okay, so with that, we can go down to the HSL sliders. Then from there, we can just use orange, yellow, green and blue, because there's not really reds or anything in this photo. So I'm just going to start with the blue and just tweak it down more to the turquoise, maybe they're at -7, and then push the saturation up a bit to get more of the blue. As you can see, it changes the water just like that. Yeah, like that. Maybe more turquoise to get that pop. Okay, cool. So for green, I think I'm just gonna leave it. Yeah, maybe just gonna tweak it with the saturation. And then for yellows, I'm gonna leave it. Maybe, yeah, let's drag up the saturation a bit. Okay, cool. I think that looks awesome. And then now for where it gets cool. If you go down to effects, you can get the vignetting. I like using this because this is where you focus on the subject and it just makes a whole different level of photo. So for this, I'm just going to pull it down a bit just to get more focus on the center. Even a better way to do it, you can go all the way up to the radial filter and just drag a circle and bring it across and just center it over your whole subject. For me, it's this glass with the orange in it. I'm just going to center it like that, take invert off, and then you affect everything outside. can see if I push down the exposure, you can see it closes down. So what I'm gonna do, just gonna lift the highlights a bit, drop the exposure. Yeah, I think that looks awesome, looks dramatic. So if you press enter, looks right. And then overall, I can bring up the exposure again of the whole photo. Clicking maybe like that. Now see, I just wanna rotate this thing a bit more. That looks nice. Okay, and there you have it, guys. That is a quick and easy tutorial I just showed you on how to make your Instagram photos pop more. So let me just show you the before and after, and then you can see for yourself. It's quite easy and it's awesome if you want to just get more attention on Instagram and just make better looking photos. So let me just get in here and just press this reference. Maybe then I'll press this one. There's a good before and after of the one picture. I think it looks much better in my opinion. It's very dramatic. So I hope you enjoyed that video. It's quite short, but I hope that helped. And if you liked the video, don't forget to like it down below. Leave a comment on what you want to see next. And if you want to hit that subscribe button, that would be much appreciated. So see you in the next video.